letting all participants in.
Hello, everyone.
हाँ इसमें देख ले Zoom मीटिंग भी है आ गई की है
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Hello, sir. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Good
Very
to
hard.
see so many happy faces, so many excited faces.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
कुछ तो लादे हम नंगे बैठे हैं.
Hello.
Hello. We just give the others an opportunity to join, and then we can see.
Hello. Very.
Hello.
We happy. Saya okay.
Hello. 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 Okay, I think everybody has been put on mute at this point. So, first of all, I would like to welcome all of you in for today's session. I'm Avinash Shetty from Live Math Competitions and Leagues, and we are here today for the Mental Math Tips and Tricks webinar for the Challenger category for 6 to 8-year-olds. So we at this point we have participants from the South Asia, Australia region, and there will be another similar session again in the evening, and that will cover for the rest of the world. At this point, I would just request everybody to have a look at the screen and follow the rules. We put everybody on mute at this point, and during the session, when the topics are being discussed, there could be a possibility that we will call you to unmute yourself to speak, to participate while trying to solve any of the topics over here. And we would request you to please participate at that time. Whenever you are interested in taking part, just raise your hands. We'll make sure that we will include you in that discussion as much as possible. At this point, what could also happen is, you may not, if you don't hear us clearly, if that is the case, then I would request you to put your own camera off. In that case, you will start hearing us better. If you have any questions regarding any of the topics that are being discussed, you may drop your message on the chat to the admin, and we'll try to answer as many as we can and discuss those points here. For any questions that you may have related to the competition, I would request you to please hold them. All competition-related questions will be answered by us if you drop us a message on contact@livemcl.com or drop us a message on our WhatsApp number that is +91 82910 27238. So we will be happily answering all your questions if you email us or WhatsApp us. All right. Having said that, I would now like to introduce you to Mr. Minu Joki, who's here today to cover today's session. Mr. Minu Joki is not just a mathematician, he's a He's a math magician. And he is extremely good with numbers, not just mental calculations, but he can do a lot of other things. He's also a memory expert. So today, as and when possible, he will also show you his skills during this session. Having said that, I think I will not take more time. I would request Minu to take over and start the session for the kids.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for introducing me. And lovely to see all the children here. This is going to be an interactive program. And the first thing that I would like to tell you is the day on which you are born. So I want somebody to tell me his or her date of birth. I'll tell the day on which that person was born. Anyone? Yeah. Wow, I think Arshinitas, admin, please unmute it.
So, who did you say we need to unmute?
Arshinitas.
Okay.
And maybe one other person also? Yeah. Arsin, what's your date of birth?
Well, I can't hear you. My volume's kind of low.
Okay.
Okay, let's pick someone else in that case.
Yeah, let's pick someone else. I think Veer, Kapil, Rudra Kumar, lot of people.
Okay, let's take Rudra Pratap Singh.
Yeah.
Rudra Pratap Singh. Hey,
Yes,
Rudra, what's
sir.
your date of birth?
Yes. What is it?
2018, July 20.
July 2000?
18.
18. 1 second. 20 July
18.
2018. It's a very lucky day. And you are born on 1 second. Of Wednesday. Sorry, you're born on a Friday. You're born on a Friday. Am I right? Okay.
Yes,
Who else?
ma'am.
Yeah, it's you're born on a Friday. Who else?
Okay, let's take Aaron. Let's take Aaron. Oh, I missed that.
Yes. What's your birthday?
Who else is there? Let's take Advika. Advika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Your
Advika,
birthday?
what's your date of birth?
16 April.
16 April.
And-
Okay. Which year?
2018.
2018. And you were born on a Monday.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Who else?
Let's take Sareem Afan. Let's take Sareem Afan.
Yes, Sareem. What's
Yeah.
your birthday?
Yes, Sareem.
I was born on 2018.
28.
6 November.
November 2018.
I'm sorry, I didn't get you.
6 November 2018.
6 November 2018.
Yes.
And you were born on a Tuesday.
Is that
Yes.
correct?
Chalo, 1 or 2 people more.
Yes.
Then we can do other things. Who else? Viraj, Motse. And who else?
sir.
Nikita. Anyone? Yes, Viraj.
So tell us your date of birth, Viraj.
3 July 2018.
3rd July 2018. Again a Tuesday. Wow. And one last person. Anyone else?
Adronika Khan. Adronika Khan.
Adronika, tell me.
I was born in 24 September 2017.
24th September 2017. And you were born on a Sunday. Even I'm born on a Sunday. Lucky day to be born on. Okay. Now,
Adronika,
this
is
was
that
my
correct?
own thing. I've learned calendar for 400 years, then tables till 1 crore, and many things like that. But now I'm going to share, this date of birth again we'll do towards the end. Now, I would like to share some of the topics related to math, related to the competition that we are going to do. So I would just like to come to my screen first. 1 second.
Yeah, I would request everybody to put your hands down now. So let's all put off hands down. Admin, if you can have everybody's hands down and start with the session now, and we can do this again later on.
Okay. So one of the topics that we have is addition. So suppose I have 6 plus 9. Now, how would I do this thing when I have plus 9? 9 is closer to 10. So the best way to do is to make it 6 plus 10, which we know is 16. But as 9 and 10, the difference is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer will be 16 minus 1, which will be 15. So this way, addition can be done with ease. In fact, everything in maths can be done with ease, provided you do it in the correct way. Let's take one more sum. Suppose I want to do 8 plus 9. So, I always round it off to the nearest 0. And here, in this case, it is 10. So, 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. But 10 and 9, the difference is 1. So 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. And this is not just for single digits. We can do it with bigger numbers also. In fact, for bigger numbers, it is even more useful than for single digits. Now, let's suppose we wish to take 24 plus 9. How do I do it? I round it off. 24 plus 10, which is equal to 34. But 34 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because 10 and 9, the difference is 1. So it becomes 33. So like that we can do for any number with ease and comfortable way. So I just remove this, and I would like to ask, let's take a still bigger number, 44 plus 9. So again, 44 plus 10, which is 54. But 10 and 9, the difference is 1. So it becomes 53. But you may wonder, why am I doing this only for 10? I can take other numbers. So if I wish to do 36 plus 8, now it is no longer 9. So you cannot do minus 1. So what do we do? First step is the same. 36 plus 10, which is equal to 46. But now the difference between 10 and 8, is it 1? No. If from 10 minus 8, it is 2. So 46 minus 2 will be 44. So it will no longer be the same thing. It won't be 10. It will be 9 and 1. It will be 10. So it is 2. So you have to be smart. You can't just blindly do the same thing. And what if I take one more example? Suppose I wish to do 25 plus 8. So 25 plus 10, which is equal to 35. But the difference between 10 and 8 is 2. So 35 minus 2 is equal to 33. So friends, with ease, you can do as many calculations as possible. Now, addition is not just restricted to 2 digits and 1 digit, or 1 digit and 1 digit. It can be 2 digits and 2 digits also. So, suppose I have 40 plus 16. Now, how do I do this? 40 plus 16. I will break the 16 like 40 plus 10, which is 50. And what's the difference between 16 and 10? It is 6. So I add 50 plus 6, and I get 56. So even 2 digits can be done with ease with 2 digits. by splitting and by coming to the nearest 0. Suppose I have 30 plus 24. So, how do I do this? I do 30 plus 20, which is 50. Now, the difference between 24 and 20 is 4, which I add and I get 54. How easy it is and how wonderful it is to do addition. And how easy also it is to do subtraction, but people sometimes wonder that they can't do subtraction. So now let's try to remove that misconception of yours.
Minu, before we move to the subtraction, let's
Yes,
take
sir.
some examples with the
Yeah,
kids.
yes, I'll
Let's
ask them.
solve,
So
let's solve
I
with
have a
them.
question, 26 plus 9. Admin, can you take one or two children to unmute it?
Do we have any volunteers?
These are.
Yes, we
Would like to
do.
come?
Let's take Veer Kapil Chablani.
Okay.
Let's take Veer Kapil Chablani.
Yes, me couple. So can you please guide me what to do?
Can we unmute Veer Kapil Chablani?
Someone else?
Someone else? Okay. How about Anas Ahmadi? Anas, can you hear us?
Yes,
Close.
Anas. So how
Can
do I
you-
do this, please? Can you help me?
It's a bit annoying. Is
Say again?
the answer. The answer for this, I'm going to now tell you. Should I?
Yes, but tell me the method first and then tell me the answer.
Yes, Anas. We want you to solve using the same method that we just discussed right now. I'm sure you'll know the answer, but let's do it step by step. So how will you go about solving this?
So first,
Mm-hmm.
26 plus 10 and is
Perfect.
equal to 36.
36. Now,
Perfect.
So,
The second step is?
so if we minus 1 from
okay.
36, so it's equal. I'm confused.
36
It's
minus
equal
1
to
would be?
35. Yeah.
Yes. That's
Yeah, how
correct.
much
You're
will
right.
it
36 minus 1 is 35. So what we did,
35. Yes, good.
so what
So
we
that's
did
the
here
way
is
we
26.
do it. The method
So-
is very important because today, without just understanding, we'll do the thing, but later, if you forget the method, it will become a problem. Anas, that's good effort by you. Now, admin, one more child, but first, I'll just write this. Now, I would like to do 34 plus 8.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, admin, one more child, please. 34 plus 8. Who would like to do it?
Okay, let's take Ghana Yoga Avari. Ghana
Yes.
Yoga Avari.
So first we have to add 34 plus 10
Okay. Which is how much?
equals to 44
Okay. Now?
and then minus 2 from 44.
Okay. And how much is that?
The answer is 42.
Very good.
Correct.
Excellent.
Ganago, can you tell us why did we do the minus 2?
Mm-hmm.
We did minus 2 because 8 is 2 less than 10.
Yes, that's
Correct.
exactly the thing. And that's how you have got it. Okay, sir. So that's fantastic. Good effort, good children. Okay, so that was a good addition thing that we did. Now let us also see how we do subtraction. Like addition, subtraction also is very easy, but it can definitely become better when you practice and you practice correctly. Suppose I have 17 minus 9. I have 17 chocolates and I'm going to give you 9 chocolates. So what is left with me? So again, I'll say closing to the nearest 0, 17 minus 10. which is, as we know, 7. But the difference between 10 and 9 is 1. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. That's how we get it. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Did you get it? Let's take one more example. Yeah. Yes. Let's take 25 minus 9. Again, what do? 25 minus 10, which is equal to 15. But the difference is 1. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. But again, like addition, in subtraction also, it's not just 9. It can be different number also. And I took 8 in addition. Now let me take 7 in subtraction. Let's see if we are able to do it. 32 minus 7. Now, first step remains the same. 32 minus 10 is equal to 22. But the difference between 7 and 10 is of 3. So, 22 plus 3, which is equal to 25. So, we get the answer 25. Sometimes kids forget it's minus 1 when it is 9. But if it is 7 or 8 or something, then you have to see the difference. You can't put the same thing absent-mindedly and get the wrong answer. Because one small mistake and the sum goes wrong. And that way, even if we have to do, say, 35 minus 30. So, it's as simple as that. 0 and 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 3 and 3, if you minus, it is 0. So, the answer is only 5. So simple it is, but provided we do it in the correct way. Suppose I take 45 minus 20. So, be concentrated and do it. 5 minus 0 would be 5. And 4 minus 2 would be 2. And the answer is 25. So, for our children, we saw even subtraction can be done in a very easy manner. Before we go further, before we have the first poll, I would like admin to again ask a couple of children. So, suppose if I have 28 minus 9, how do I do it? I want someone to try to do this with the steps. So, admin, please unmute somebody. Maybe someone who hasn't come yet. Or maybe someone has already done it again, wants to do it again.
Let's take just one moment.
G.
Let's take Nayana Dhakar.
Okay.
Nayana.
So how do I do this, please?
Nayana Dhakar. I can't mute her.
She's not audible.
Nayana Dhakar.
Over here.
Yeah. Please say.
And I give the answer.
Yeah.
First,
Do the
we
method
have to
first.
do 28 minus 10.
Okay. Which
The
is?
answer will come 18.
Okay.
Then we have to add plus 1.
Absolutely right. And which becomes?
19. The answer is 90.
Very good. Let's clap for you. Your answer is bang on. It's absolutely correct. And now I would like the audience to get a little more tricky sum. 35 minus 8. Who would like to try to do this? 35 minus 8.
Hello.
Anyone?
Good.
Yeah, let's
Courtney?
take.
Please unmute Courtney.
35 minus 10
Okay.
equals 25.
Okay.
And then 25 plus 2
Okay.
equals 27.
Perfect. Very good. You said with confidence, and I was 100% sure you're going to get it right. But the way I did 2 digit and 1 digit is fine. What if we have 40 minus 20. How do I do this? Anyone? You've got to do this also, so now even this anyone should try to do it. It's an easy sum and sum. Sadmin, one more child.
Let's take Snigdha. Snigdha.
Mhm.
Sir, we first, sir, because it's 40 minus 20, we just subtract 4 and 2 and add an extra 0.
Yes, so what
In
is it? What is
case-
4 minus 2?
4 minus 2 is 2, and because there is 0, so we will add a 0 to
Okay.
2, and it is 20.
Answers 20 and
Perfect,
answers
perfect.
absolutely correct. Very good, friends. That was fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So that was good. I think you have done a good job in this. And now I would like to request admin to please conduct the first poll on addition and subtraction. Stop, sir. Yeah. And I hope each and every one of you get each and every answer correct.
Okay, everyone, I would request you to start answering as quickly as you can. I'm sure everybody is able to see the poll that is there on the screen. Just start answering then.
Very good. Majority of the answers are correct of all, but all of you have not yet done. Please continue doing solving it.
Yeah, I would request everybody to participate. We have more than 300 people over here in this session. I would request everyone to participate as much as you can. Admin, how long is the poll for?
Ending poll.
Okay, we are ending the poll now. Fantastic. Almost everyone got each and every answer right. That's fantastic. So you children have thoroughly understood addition and subtraction really well. Now comes my favorite topic, that is multiplication. I'll be sharing some tables tricks with you. But I would like to ask each and every one of you that your basic tables from 1 to 10, you have to know it pit pat. But still, I'll be sharing some tricks with you. I myself have learned tables till 1 crore, till 1,000, I can beat the calculator. And some of the tricks I'll be sharing right now with you. For example, we would like to learn the table of 9. So, 9 table is a very fantastic table. How do I do it? First, 9 ones is 9, which I write like this. Now, all I do is, I go after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here, I do the other way around. It's 9. So, less than 9 is 8. Less than 8 is 7. Then comes 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So this is the table of 9. On one side, we write 0 to 9. The other side, we write 9 to 0. And if you are alert, 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. Each and every of the multiple of 9, when you add, you will get 9 only. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So that's another observation. And another fantastic observation is, now, if I have to ask you, I have 9 sevens are. So I show all my fingers. Now, sevens are means I will close the 7th finger. What is left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first digit is 6. And here, after this closed finger, it is 1,
I think we have
3.
the screen.
So the answer
Can we have
is
menus on the screen?
3. Am I right?
Admin, can we have menu on the screen?
Screen. He's sharing his screen.
So I'm sharing my, shall I stop share?
Yeah.
Shall I stop share? No. Yeah. Okay. So example, if I want to ask you, what is 9 fives are? Again, I show all my fingers and I close my 5th finger. This is 4 and this is 5. So the answer is 45. Am I right? So how easy it is to do maths calculations in a jiffy. That was the table of 9. Shall I ask them a couple of questions here before we go further? Since it's such an interesting table, so I'll have to remove this first. And I want someone to show the fingers that I did, Avinashji. So can you ask somebody 9 eights are and show us how to do it? Who would like to try? 9 eights are. Admin, please unmute someone. So who would be unmuted? Yes, I saw. It was correct. Abib Hussain. Abib Hussain. Can you please unmute
Yes.
Abib Hussain?
Yes.
Yes. So I asked you 9 eights are. So can you show the answer?
Yes. 9 eights is 72.
Absolutely right. Because I asked you 9 eights are, you close the 8th finger. This is 7 and this is 2. The answer is 72. So that was damn easy, very interesting, the table of 9. Now, if we wish to do the table of 5. 5 table has a trick that the last digit will be 50, 50, 50, 50. So I can just write 50, 50, 50, 50 and 50. In the table of 5, you will never get an answer apart from ending with 5 and apart from ending with 0. And here, 0 obviously will come, it's 0, 5. Now we write 1, 1, then we write 2, 2, then we write 3, 3, then 4, 4, and since we're ending on 5 tens are 50, we write a 5. So every digit is just coming 2 times. And it's damn simple when you say 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, then 35, then 40, then 45, and eventually it is 50. Here, there is no finger trick per se, but just remember, it has to end with 5 or it has to end with 0. And the tens place can only be 2 times, whether it's 1, 1, or whether it's 2, 2, whether it is 3, 3, and so on. So even 5 table can be done in a jiffy and we can get the answer correct. And after doing the table of 5, the easy table, that is the table of 10, which unless we make a careless mistake, we shouldn't get it wrong, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, which is 100. So if I ask you 10 sevens are automatically 70. If I ask you 10 fives are automatically 50. If I ask you 10 nines are automatically 90. It becomes so simple and it becomes so easy. The table of 10. Similarly, if I wish to go still further, I wish to learn. Okay. So before we go to the next number, since I've asked you the table of 5 and the table of 10, which I've showed you, let me ask you, what is 5 fives are? Can anyone try? Admin, please unmute someone. Yes, Kabir. 5 fives are? What is 5 fives are, Kabir?
25.
25 is absolutely correct. Let's clap for you. Very good. And I asked you 10 table. So what is 10 eights are? Anyone? Admin, please unmute someone. Tau. Okay. Tau, please try to answer. What's 10 eights are?
Miss, I got to answer the first one.
Sorry, you're not audible. 10 eights are. Yes, someone is showing with the finger and the finger is correct. But can anyone also say? Tau is unmuted. Tau, can you answer? 10 eights are? Give me someone.
What?
Yeah, what is it?
What did you say?
10 eights are. 10
80.
multiplied by 8.
80.
80 is absolutely correct. So we have learned the table of 9, the table of 5, the table of 10. And I hope it's crystal clear. Now there is no doubt. But again, you'll have to practice it again and again till you are absolutely thorough with it. Now let's take it further. Let's do the table of 11. 1, 1. So simple. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Now we'll say 10, 10. Then you are wrong. 11 into 10 is not 10, 10, but it's 1, 1, 0. 11 tens are 1, 1, 0. So even the table of 11 was done comfortably and correctly. Okay. Again, if I ask you 11 sixes are, very simple, because I said 6, the answer is 66. Suppose if I ask you 11 fours are, then 11 fours are is 44. Suppose I ask you 11 nines are, then it is, because I said 9, 99. So even the table of 11 is done easily. Let's take one more table, the last one. the basic table which we all know, but sometimes we forget, the table of 2, which is basically skip counting. Because after 2 comes 3, but you will say 4. Skip a number. So after 4, does it come 5? No, it comes 6. After 6, 7? No, 8. After that, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. That's it. Okay, did you realize something in the table of 2? You have each and every answer which is a even number. By mistake, if your answer is an odd number, it means you are wrong. The answer is incorrect. These are small things, useful tips, but once they are mastered, then tables become really easy, and tables is fun. It's super fun to learn it. Before we have a poll on this, there's one more very interesting thing. But before I even tell you that interesting thing, 11 and 2 I showed you. So, may I ask the admin to unmute someone? I wish to know what is 11 sevens are. Can anyone tell me? 11 sevens are. Rudra Kumar. Rudra Kumar is very active. His hand is up all the time. Rudra Kumar, what's the answer?
11 sevens are 77.
77. And Rudra Kumar, if I ask you 11 threes are?
11 threes are is 33.
Very good. And for the table of 2, I would like to know what is 2 fours are. Can anyone tell?
8.
Rudra Kumar or anyone?
8.
8. Answer is correct. Okay, so it will never be Rudra an odd number. It has to be an even number. So that's it. Now, what is the important thing I wanted to tell you? I wish to multiply 34 with 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. Now, what if I want to do 4 plus 0? Then it is not 0 because you have 4 chocolates. I'm not going to give you any chocolate. I'm giving you 0. So the answer is 4. And suppose you have 4 chocolates and you are also not going to give me anything, then the answer will still remain the same, 4. But when addition and subtraction, it remains the same. Then it is multiplication with 0. 7 into 0 is 0. 9 into 0 is 0. 14 into 0 is 0. And 31 into 0 is still a 0. It cannot be anything else. So the moral of the story is multiply a number with 0 and the answer is 0. Got it? Okay. Anyone, any questions or admin? If no questions, then we can have the poll on multiplication. Yeah. And questions
Minu,
you keep in the end also you can ask me.
Minu, before we move on, can we have some more examples of, can we solve the multiply by 0 with the kids?
Sir, can you say it again? Okay, yes, sir, I will. I would like someone to answer. Okay, yes. 12 into 0, 17 into 0, 6 into 0, 4 into 0, and 18 into 0.
Can we have 0 into 10?
Yeah, yes, definitely. So we'll have a question here. 0 multiplied by 10. That's a tricky one, sir. Yeah, that's a good one too. Yes, Arson wants to answer, I guess. What's the answer? Yes, for the first question.
The answer is 12 times 0 is 0.
Okay, 0. Second one?
17 times 0 is 0.
Okay, then okay, someone else now? Who else would like to answer? Admin, somebody? Many hands up already?
Yeah, let's take Kabir.
Malini.
Let's take Kabir.
Malini. Can Malini
Kabir.
answer? 6 into 0?
Okay. 0.
Absolutely right, Malini. Anything into 0, 0. So 6 into 0 is also a 0. And why don't you try the next one also? 4 into 0?
Someone else. Oh, he said cookie.
4 into 0?
Can we have Amanat?
Kabir. Then maybe there's Hina Kot who also wants to answer. Kabir, Hina Kot.
0. 0.
Yes. 18 into 0. What's the answer? What is 18 into 0? Yes. It is 0. Right. And the last one, what is Hina Kot? What is 0 into 10? What is 0 into 10? What would you be, Hina? I think she's not audible. Triveni. Can you answer 0 into 10, please? Yeah, what is it?
0.
0. So if I have the 0 first and then
Zero.
the multiplication with a number, it doesn't make any difference. It will still be a 0. Okay, that's fantastic. Great. Yes. Someone wanted a query of the 9 table before we do the poll. So let's do it one more time. The 9 table is 0, 9. Then here you write all the numbers in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here you go vice versa. 9 less than 9 is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay? And what else I told you? Each and every time you add them, it will be 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. And even a recap of the finger method. Just show all your fingers. We all have 10 fingers, so please show that. And if I ask you 9 fours are, so I close my 4th finger. Before this finger, I have 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. So the first digit is 3. And after this closed finger, I have 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 36. Am I right? Clear? Got it? So now, if all the queries are done, we would like to invite the poll on multiplication. I'll just stop share 1 second. Yeah.
By the way, just to let you all know, there will be a recording of this session also available later. So if you still want to go back and watch the video and go through the methods, you can do so later on also.
Good. Almost all the answers are correct for many of them. Few mistakes, but 99% is all correct. That's fantastic. Okay. The poll is done. And almost again, each and every one of you have got all the answers correct. That's fantastic. And that's really appreciable. Keep up the good work, kids. We have done today addition, we've done subtraction, we've done diverse multiplication tables, plus the zero concept. And again, as Avinash ji and I have told you, all the tables from 1 to 10, you have to learn, you have to revise, re-revise. That will help you immensely in the championship. Now, another important aspect of the championship is exponents, which we are going to see. Now, I wish to see the exponent question, which is 7 exponent sign is this 3. What is this answer? What I do is, I just write 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Why do I write it 3 times? Because the question is 7 exponent 3. So I multiplied it 3 times. Okay, now you have to tell you one thing. For the examination, this is the answer. Please don't multiply 7 into 7. Whatever answer you get, multiply by 7. That is not expected from you. So please don't do it. This is your final answer. Suppose I have 3 exponent 5. So it's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is all. We are not expected to multiply and get the answer. So please don't do that. Suppose my question is 9 exponent 4. So 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. And we stop it there. Please don't go further. Okay? That is one part of the exponent thing. You may also get questions like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You're not expected to multiply this, but the answer for this would be 2 exponent sign. And how many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 2 exponent 5. Is my answer correct? Yes, it is. That's how we are supposed to do this. This is very easy. It appears easy, but you know, at this age, many of you are little careless, and in little haste, you may make a mistake. And once you are out, you are out. You don't get a second chance. So please ensure, be alert, be observant, and don't make any mistake. Lovely topic, nice topic. But before we go to the poll, etc., I would like to rub this and write a question.
Minu,
7
Minu,
exponent
once, just one thing.
4. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, this over here, give 4 options. I'll tell you the options to be given. And
Yes, sir.
okay, so 7 raised to 4. So the options, first option would be 7
what
into
will it
7
be?
into 7. On the right side, give 4 options. Option,
yes,
the
sir.
first
What is
option.
it?
At the top, mention the first option, 7 into 7 into 7.
At the top?
No, besides that at the top. Besides that
7
at the top.
into
Not
7
there,
into
not there.
7.
Not,
Yes.
no, just split the page
One
into
second. I'll just
half.
clear this, sir. 1 second.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Can you say it again?
Yeah. On the left, split the screen into 2 halves.
Okay.
Split the screen into 2 halves. Just put a line in between.
Yeah. 1 second, sir.
Just draw a line, yes. On the left side, just mention the sum 7 raised to 4.
Sir, 7
Exponent 4.
exponent 4.
Yeah. Now on the right side of the line, list the 4 options, one under the other. Okay, the first option is
Yeah.
at the top. Go to the top, yes. First option is 7 into 7
Okay.
into 7.
Into 7.
That's the first option. Second
Okay.
option is 4
4.
Second option is
4.
4 into 4
Okay.
into 4
Okay.
into 4.
Into 4.
No, don't go down. Just
Same line.
Okay,
continue.
1 second.
Avinash, don't
Okay.
ask such questions in the poll if you want.
Acha. Shall I remove the second one?
Yeah, just erase the 4 that you've written at the bottom.
Yeah, just 1 second.
Yeah, in a straight line, just mention 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 7 times.
Yes, now we'll be able to write. 7 times. So it's already written 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Yes, sir. Third option?
Third option would be 7 into 7 into 7 into 7.
7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Yes. And the other
And
option?
the last option is 4 into 4 into 4 3 times.
Sorry, sir. 4 into?
4 into 4.
4 into 4. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Can we
Avinash, you
have
have
some-
given a question 7 exponent 4 and he has given 4 options for that. Okay. Admin, please choose someone to tell me which of the options are correct. The first one, second one, third one, or the fourth one. Who would like to try?
Let's take Arson Tas. Arson Tas.
Yes. Arson?
The third option, 7 times 7 times 7 times 7.
Absolutely right. The third option is the correct option. Okay, so that's very interesting. One of the 4
So-
options, and
So
we have
Arson,
to
if I
choose the correct one.
Arson,
Good.
if I ask you, why did you not choose 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 7 times? Okay. Essentially, what you did was exactly correct. It's the answer to 7 exponent 4 is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Sometimes when we ask our questions in our exam, you will see the inverse of it written like this. So you may get confused. So that's why it's important that you know that 7 exponent 4 is only 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. I just wanted to make sure that everybody sees that these are the kind of examples of sums that may come in front of you and you're prepared for it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay. Fantastic. That's a great question that we asked. Now, admin, please have the poll for exponent. Yes. There's a poll in front of you. All the best. Get the correct answer. Good as expected. Each and everyone is getting each and every answer correct. It's great. Okay, fantastic. As usual, all the answers were correct and that was great. So, all the vital topics with relation to our competition, like addition, like subtraction, then multiplication tables, then the zero multiplication concept, and also exponents this way as well as the opposite way. We have done a great job. And now we will see one last but very important topic of how to half numbers, how to double numbers, and how to do triple of numbers. So, suppose I have 32. I want to know the double of 32. My friend is giving me 32 apples today and he will give me 32 tomorrow. So, what is my total? So, 32 plus 32. Again, we will split. We'll make 32 as 30 plus 2. And double of 30, 30 plus 30 is 60. Double of 2, that is 2 plus 2 is 4. And the total is 64. This is my final answer. I got 64. Suppose I have one more thing. I wish to double 43 plus 43. How do I do it? I split it as 40 plus 3 and 40 plus 40. What is 40 plus 40? It becomes 80. What is 3 plus 3? It becomes 6. The total of the two is 86. 80 plus 6 is 86. This is my final answer. This is doubling numbers. This one not just being done with big numbers, we can do with small numbers also, but like 5 plus 5, which is 10, or with any big number. Okay? So this is how we double numbers. But when we have to double, we have to also learn how to do half. Suppose I have 68. And what is half of 68? Basically, what is 68 divided by 2? Again, the same way, I at least split the numbers 60 plus 8. But now I will make half of it. Okay? So, what is the half of 60? Half of 60 becomes 30 and half of 8 becomes 4. 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. So this way, children, we can even do halving numbers very easily. Now, we are kids, sometimes we make careless mistake. It is 68, so it should be 60 plus 8. But by mistake, you will do 60 plus 6. And the whole answer will be wrong. And sometimes we have seen over the years, some children in haste, when it is halving, instead of halving it, reducing it, you will double it. And then also you will be wrong. So both these things have to be ensured that doesn't happen. You should have a very clear focus. When I'm doing half, it is half. But at the same time, when I'm doubling the number, it is doubling the number. Now, apart from that, we also have tripling. Suppose I want to do 6 plus 6 plus 6. How do I do tripling numbers easily? Okay, the easy way would be to make 6 as 5 plus 5 plus 5 and 1 plus 1 plus 1. Why 5 plus 5 plus 5? Because 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5 also I added it 3 times and the balance, that is 1, I added 3 times. The tables, as you can see, helps. I just taught you the table of 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 or 5 threes is 15. And as we know, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. So the answer is 18. Correct? Simple? So what if I wish to do, say, the triple of 9? 9 plus 9 plus 9. Now let's be smart. 9 is close to 10. So, can I not do 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is again tables 13, and difference between 10 and 9 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. And lastly, 30 minus 3, if you do, you get 27. This is how the tripling of numbers is done. So in a jiffy, we have doubled numbers, we have done half of numbers, and we have also tripled numbers where you saw how tables helped and done it easily. But before we have the poll, I would like some questions from you to know that you have understood this. And afterwards, in the question answers, the balance kids who wanted to ask me their date of birth, plus any queries related to any of the topics, you're welcome to ask me. So, if I have a question 42, I wish to double 42. So, admin, can you ask someone, unmute
Can we
someone?
have Tao?
The-
Tao,
To
can
the
we
double
have
of
Tao?
42?
Yeah, I'm unmuting Tao.
Yes, sir.
Tao Jiaki.
Tao. Can Tao try it?
Yes, Tao, can you help us? Double 42?
42 plus 42 equals 84.
Yes,
that's
42 plus
one way of doing
42 is equal to 84.
That's
So
one way
Tao,
of doing
I think
it.
you did 40 plus 40, which is 80. And you did 2 plus 2, which is 4. And you got 84. That's fantastic. And good effort by you. Okay. I have one more question for the children. Now, I would like to say, do the half of 64. So, sir, can you unmute someone and ask for the answer and the method too?
Yeah. Can we have Ananteshwar?
Yeah.
Ananteshwar?
The answer is 32.
32. Very smart kids. So, you did 60 plus 4. And then you didn't double, but you did half. That is 30 and 2. And we got 32. Okay, you guys are smart. But now comes the challenge. Who will try to do for me 7 plus 7 plus 7? Who would like to try this? Anyone? Admin?
Can we have Pia?
Yeah? So, Ria, what's the answer?
And we are trying to unmute her. She's trying to. Yes, Pia.
21.
21 is absolutely correct. So you could do
So-
7 as 5 plus 2, and 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And the answer is 21. Fantastic. Each and every one of you have understood the concepts really well. I really wish you good luck for the competition, and I'm sure you're going to have a great time there. Now, admin, can I request you to have the poll on these topics that we just did? Yeah. Half, double, triple. Good luck. I want everyone to get every answer correct. Very good, Pia. I'm sure the others are also doing. Done again. Very good. Fantastic. Almost all done and almost each and every answer correct. So that's really great. Okay. So with that, the poll is done. Okay, fantastic. Each and everyone has got almost everything correct. Let's clap for all of you for the fantastic work that you have done. Now, we have question answers. At the beginning, I told you your day of birth. Some of you wanted to ask, but at that time I couldn't answer you. You wish, you can ask me right now. Not only that, any of the topics that we did, please ask any query. You're most welcome to ask me. I'm all yours. I would like to answer you. Yeah.
Okay, if somebody has any questions about any of the
Yes,
topics
sir.
that we just discussed, we can do that, or we can do your date of birth.
Now I'll just, yes, sir.
We can even do your date of birth thing. So I'll unmute Sanidhya. Sanidhya.
Yes, please unmute.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What's your birthday?
My birth name is the date is 25, the month is 12, and the year is 2017.
25 what?
The
Month.
date of my birth was the date is the day was 25 of December, and it is the year is
2017. Wow, you're born on Christmas Day. That's great. So 25th December 2017 was a Monday. You're born on a Monday. Great. Congratulations. Christmas boy. Okay?
Thank you.
Who else?
Can we have Samir
Maybe
Munir?
Samir Munir wants to ask.
Yeah,
Akshata
Samir Munir.
Kayal. Yes. As many. You're welcome to ask.
Yeah, what's
I
your
was
name,
born-
Samir? Is your name
my
Samir?
name is Abir. My name is Abir, and good afternoon. Actually,
afternoon.
I was born in June 6. Year
Okay.
is 2017.
2017. Very lucky day, June 6, 66. A very, very lucky day. God bless you. And this was
Thank
a Tuesday. You're born on a
Yeah.
Tuesday. Am I right? Thank
Yeah.
you. Very good. All the best to you. Good.
Okay, okay. Before we move ahead, do you know how he does it? Any of you, do you know how he does it? How is it that he is able to calculate the exact day when you just tell him which date the day you were born in, and he knows which day actually you were born on? Actually, it takes a lot of calculations that he does mentally. There are thousands of days in all these years, right? There were thousands of days, and he knows exactly which day that was on. So there are 7 levels of calculation that he has to do in his mind, and only then he can arrive at the day. So that's an amazing, skill that he has. And, that's something that, I would like to learn, but I'm sure, it will be very difficult to learn. But I'm sure if you all do well, you will be able to do it better than us.
Yes.
So let's have Chan K Yao.
Yes.
Chan, can we unmute Chan?
Yeah. What's your birthday?
Chan, what's your date of birth? What's your date of birth?
My date of birth is the date is 20 of November 2019.
20 November 2019. Just a second. You were born on a Wednesday. You're born on a Wednesday. 20 November.
You were born on a Wednesday.
2019.
Is that correct, Chan? Do you know if you were born on a Wednesday?
No.
Yeah. So now you know that you were born
now
on
we
a
know.
Wednesday. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. We have Joel. Joel. Yes, Joel. Can you tell us what your date of birth is?
Yeah.
Can we
What is
unmute
it?
Joel? Can we unmute? Yes, Joel.
Yeah.
I was born in 2016 in February.
February
I
when?
Which day?
February what?
Friday.
February 8th?
February
say
8th,
eight?
2016.
Top
February
8th
8th,
February 2016, right?
2016. Yeah.
1 second.
I was born on 9th November 2017.
You were born on a Tuesday in February 8th, 2016. And by the way, I'm also born in February, but I'm born on 6th February. But yeah, it is not 2016. It's month before that. Yes. The other child, November something. What is it? November?
Joel's sister. When were you born on?
I was born on 9th November 2017.
17. Just a second. Thursday. You're born on a Thursday. Am I right?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Are
Yes.
the children really enjoying with answering
Okay,
all
let's
of you? I'm
let's
sure
let's
you're going to have a
let's
great
go with
future ahead.
Rajay. Let's go with Rajay.
birthday.
Raji, is that Raji? Let's unmute Raji. Yes, Raji.
I was born on 22nd November. December
22nd, right? 22nd December. Yeah, which year?
2018.
2018. And you were born on a Saturday.
Yes.
Saturday.
Yes.
You were born on a Saturday. Yeah. Good luck. Good luck to
Yes.
you. All the best.
Yes. How does
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
I've learned the calendar for 400 years and remember the current year, then I just go back to the year in question. So there's a lot of calculation, as Avinashi said. And from 1st January 1600 till this year, I've learned, and probably I'm learning for the next 100 years. It will take a little while, but I'm sure I'll do it. It's
Okay,
a lot
sir.
of practice
Great,
for
great.
that. Lot of dedication. I wasn't born with these skills. I was a failure in maths till school. I was failing in maths till 9th standard, but my mother encouraged me. Then I started adding bus numbers, car numbers, and a sort of love for numbers happened. And then I became better in it. I'll just give my website for all of you. It's www.minujokhi.in. Okay, I put it in the chat for everyone, minujokhi.in. So you can see that. You can even Google search Meenu Joki. You get a lot of tips, information about maths and tricks, etc. will be useful. Yeah.
All right. Now, just to remind everybody, you will be getting, the recording for this session will be available for you. So even if you want to go back and have a look at this video again, you can do so after some time. So don't worry about that. The only thing that you need to remember is all of this, these are just tips and tricks that Mr. Joki shared with all of us. We will need to go back and practice as much as we can. We have the live math competitions and league app. I hope everybody has downloaded the app. Are you practicing on the app? Is there anyone who's not practicing? Who's not practicing? Okay, who's not practicing? So even if you've not started yet, I would request you to go back, download the app, start practicing as per your age category, so that you're prepared when your mock test starts. Your mock test will be coming up on between the 24th to the 27th of July, and you can log in to the app at any time during this time and take the mock test. We will be sending you the details about this in a few days. You'll get it on your community groups. So please make sure that everybody you join the community group so that you keep getting updates about the competition. If you don't have the link to the community group, just search for the email, the registration email that was sent to you. It has the link to your community groups. So make sure that you are logging in and joining this community group for all updates in the future. Having said that, I think we are done for today. It was great having all of you. we look forward to all of you doing extremely well when the tests come up between the 24th to the 27th. Is a practice test. It's not the real test. The real test, the qualification round, will happen between the 1st to the 5th of August, and it will be exactly like the mock test. All right, you have to log in at any time and take the test, and there will be 3 attempts to be done, and the total score of the 3 attempts will be your final score, and based on that you may qualify for the next round. Having said that, if you still have any other questions about the competition, please feel free to drop us a message on +91 82910 27238 or email us on contact@livemcl.com, and we'll be happy to answer all your questions. All right. And with that said, I would like to thank everyone for having joined this session today, this Sunday afternoon or Sunday morning, for all of you. Just go back, enjoy yourself for the day, and make sure that you practice every day for at least 10-15 minutes. All right. Do you promise? Do you promise to practice every day? Wonderful. We look forward to all of you doing really well. All of you are champions, and we all love you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. All the best.